150 precision screwdriver set, model number 840150, for cameras, drones, phones, watches, and more, where you need to have a screwdriver. We're opening up this camera, taking off with a precise Phillips screw bit and seeing how easy it is to work with. What we're going to show you is what this kit's about and what you get. I won't be able to go over every single detail, but you get the idea about this kit. Check online for further detail about the products. The CRV 117 screwdriver bits, 35mm with 3 special lengthened screwdriver bits, and more. We have the handle. The handle extends and opens up by pushing in and pulling out. If you need to add an extension adapter, simply put in, and it's bendable and you're able to turn and twist. You have a certain bit here that will fit in, and it is a magnet that will pick up. If you have a drill, you can simply place it into the drill, pick a bit you want, place on, and use a drill. Everything has a spot, places in. Over here you have an area you can magnetize and demagnetize. We have 3 long bits. You have a storage container that will have a reset button, little picks that can open things up, suction cup, and more. You need a pair of tweezers. You have a tweezer located on the side. A little spreader remover, as you can see. You need to change out a blade. You grab the correct bit, place into the driver, and unscrew. And simply place back on. Over here you have a handle that spins, so allows it to fit in the palm and adjust. And when all done, simply place back into its kit. For those camera repairs, drone repairs, or anything that you can imagine that you could put this kit to. It's portable, it's carrying case, very nicely made for your repair needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.